So far, you've learned that social media marketing enables brands to extend their reach and build a list of email subscribers. In this video, we'll discuss some of the things brands can do with those subscriber lists once they have them. But before we get to that, let's define what email marketing is and what it isn't. First, most importantly, email marketing is not spam. Spam, also known as junk mail, refers to any unwanted emails sent out in bulk to a mass recipient list. These are the emails that land in your inbox even though you never signed up for them. Spammers might make claims that are too good to be true or send the same content to everyone on their list, regardless of their interests. And they'll often send so many emails that they end up annoying potential customers. So, how is email marketing different from spam? Email marketing is when a brand sends messages to a list of existing subscribers to share information, drive sales, or create community. That means sending relevant, helpful content to people who've agreed to receive it. When it's done well, email marketing helps brands build and maintain relationships with potential and existing customers. So how do brands avoid coming across like spammers? How do they make sure they're sending the right content to the right people at the right time? They use segmentation and personalization. Let's take these ideas one at a time. First, segmentation. Email segmentation is the practice of dividing an email subscriber list into smaller groups or segments based on criteria like interest, location, or purchase history. It allows brands to customize emails for different groups and send subscribers content that's relevant to them. And the more brands learn about their subscribers, the more they can segment their lists, which makes it easier to build relationships with customers. So, if someone buys cat food from a pet store, they might appreciate getting ads about other cat-related products, like treats or toys. But if they get a coupon for bird seed, they might delete that email. And they could even unsubscribe altogether, which is the opposite of what the pet store wants. Let's move on to personalization. While segmentation helps marketers decide what email content to send to which people, personalization is a process of customizing email content for individual subscribers. That doesn't mean writing a different email for every single subscriber. If email marketers did that, they wouldn't have time for anything else. But there are some things they can do to deliver an experience that feels specific to each individual. Here are a few examples. Email marketers can address each recipient directly by putting their name in the greeting or subject line. Send promotions for special events like birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. Send messages that match where customers are in the marketing funnel. For example, an email about a loyalty program probably shouldn't go to subscribers who are still at the consideration stage. And finally, they can follow up on previous interactions, like asking a customer to share their opinion on a recent purchase. Now you know the difference between email marketing and spam, and how brands use techniques like segmentation and personalization to build and maintain customer relationships. Coming up, you'll learn about some different types of emails that can engage, convert, and retain customers.